You can now calculate your exact tax liability instantly using AI. No spreadsheets, no guesswork, no hiring someone who charges $300 just to plug numbers into software. But there's one major catch I'll reveal at the end that most people never consider, and it can cost you thousands. I've tested a bunch of AI tax tools, and I'm not sponsored by any of them. No affiliate links, no brand deals. I'm just obsessed with seeing how far AI has actually come. So what I'm about to tell you is based on real use, not hype. Let's start with how it works. Most of these AI tax tools plug directly into your financial data. Think W-2s, 1099s, expenses, investment accounts, and they scan everything automatically. No more hunting down forms or triple-checking numbers. One click, and it pulls in your data from Plaid, your employer, or even your crypto wallets. Then comes the real magic. The AI runs thousands of rule checks based on your state, your filing status, deductions, credits, and income sources. It doesn't just estimate, it gives a line-by-line breakdown of exactly what you owe or what refund you can expect. And yes, it accounts for complex stuff like self-employment taxes, capital gains, rental income, even AMT if you're in that bracket. One reason this is game-changing, it can suggest deductions you'd never know about. For example, it picked up a $2,400 deduction I missed because I forgot about a home office expense I hadn't used in years. And it updated in real time. That would have taken me an hour manually. Another advantage, accuracy. Most people don't realize that the IRS rejects millions of returns every year due to simple math errors. The AI doesn't make those mistakes. Plus, some of the better tools actually compare multiple filing scenarios instantly. Married filing jointly versus separately? It simulates both and tells you which saves more. That's something even some accountants skip unless you ask. Now, about that important thing I mentioned earlier. AI tax tools aren't all created equal. Some are just glorified calculators with a chatbot interface. But others, like the ones trained on the actual IRS tax code, are way more powerful. I'll tell you the exact one I trust most in a second, but here's the key. You need to make sure the AI is transparent. If it doesn't show you how it calculated your tax liability step by step, don't trust it. Black box AI and your taxes? Terrible combo. Also, some tools offer audit protection, which is a feature most people skip. But if the AI is submitting your taxes, you want a human team backing it in case anything gets flagged. Now here's what I'd recommend based on testing. Use AI as your first pass. It's incredible for calculating your tax liability instantly, spotting deductions, and even educating you on what changed in the tax code. But always scan the results manually, or better yet, bring it to a CPA if you're filing anything more complex than a W-2. The tool I've found to be the most accurate? A startup platform that's been trained on over 10 years of tax cases and has a built-in scenario engine. I'm not naming names here because, again, I'm not getting paid to recommend anything, but if you search for AI tax prep and filter for tools that let you upload docs directly and show transparent calculation, you'll find it. Bottom line, AI that calculates your tax liability instantly is no longer a theory. It works, and it can save you a lot of time, and potentially a lot of money. Just don't fall for the free tools that hide the real math. If this video gave you real value, consider subscribing to support content that doesn't rely on hidden affiliate commissions.